I just want to say this is the worst vacuum cleaner ever. For some reason, the belt is eating up the whole side. I use this vacuum cleaner. Today will make 5 times. I bought it about 3 weeks ago. No, it wasn't even 3 weeks ago. It was 2 weeks ago. And today made the 5th time. I was wondering why I kept smelling burning, so I took it apart. And I noticed that something was being burnt along the edge here. And also here. So I cleaned all the black stuff out of it. I put it back together with my drill gun. And I thought that it was fine. But after it's sitting in my hand and running for a few minutes, this belt goes to the side and burns everything up in its path. This kind of belt just goes to the side of me. And it wants to jump off. See how it's moving over? Súper buena la verdad. En un momentico, mira todo el churre que sacó de la alfombra. Está un poquito... No está pesada. Lo único que me molestó un poquito fue que hay que tener cuidado con el cable porque tú lo alas y como que se desconecta, pero por todo...